Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Miss Jane Oandasan. Alright, so my channel guys is all about how to make money online, tutorials, okay? And we have also travel, we have also about the business. So for today guys, I will discuss you how to make money online via answering the surveys.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment.
Just want to have a big shout out to the following channels: Pinoy Adventure TV, Fidel Pablo, and my Jane's Vacation Rentals. My vacation rental channel, Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. And for long-term rentals, Residence by Commonwealth by Sanctuary located at Commonwealth, Quezon City. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. So in today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to make money online. One such opportunity is by answering surveys. Online paid survey sites allow individuals to monetize their spare time by offering cash and gift cards in exchange for answering questions on various topics. While participating in surveys may not make you rich overnight, it can provide an easy financial boost from time to time. In this article, we will discuss how you can make money by answering surveys and provide a list of the top trusted survey sites for 2023. Before diving into the world of online paid surveys, it's important to consider a few factors to ensure that you maximize your earnings. Here are some key points to keep in mind. The first one, research and choose reputable survey sites. With the increasing number of survey sites available, it's crucial to select trustworthy platforms, look for sites that have positive reviews, clear payment terms, and a good track records of paying their participants. The second one, understand the payment structure. Different survey sites have varying payment structures. Some sites offer cash rewards, while others provide gift cards or other incentives. Make sure you understand how each site rewards its participants and choose the option that suits you best. The third one, set realistic expectations. While paid surveys can be a great way to earn some extra cash, it's important to have realistic expectations. Surveys may not provide a substantial income, but they can offer a convenient way to earn money in your spare time. Now, let's take a look at the top trusted survey sites that I use. So the first one, guys, is a Survey Junkie. With over 10 million members, Survey Junkie is one of the largest survey sites available. They offer a straightforward platform, reliable payouts, and a wide range of survey opportunities. So if you want to sign up for this one so that you can earn money, you can go below on my descriptions and then you can just click my link below. And then the second one platform is the Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars not only provides paid surveys but also offers other ways to earn money, such as watching videos and playing games. They have a good reputation for timely payments and a user-friendly interface. So yeah, answering surveys can be a legitimate and convenient way to make money online. By choosing reputable survey sites, understanding the payment structures, and setting realistic expectations, you can maximize your earnings and make the most of your spare time. So why not give it a try and start earning some extra cash today? Once again, guys, you can visit my descriptions below and then click the link below so that you can sign up and start earning your money on answering the survey. Thank you, and once again, it's me, Jane Oandasan. Alright, if you want this kind of tutorials, you can just click subscribe. See you.